spinal cord replacement. Spinal cord replacement is 834,442,664 naira. So that's for the spinal cord replacement. Okay, so we have to replace the spinal cord and straight it, okay, for the person to move well and to be doing some activities. Okay, yes, that is the price. But in case you don't have the price, you can't afford it, so we have another affordable price. Okay, so we can get you a crocodile spinal cord. Okay, we will replace it with the crocodile spinal cord, so for an affordable price of just 70,000 naira. Okay, very affordable spinal cord from crocodile. Okay, so that's what we do next.